Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to visit a human history museum. You will hear a slow and easy English story about two friends, Justin and Bonnie. During the tour, they will explore old human tools, caves, fire, hunting, teamwork, language, and daily life long ago. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea of the story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. What helped early humans stay alive better when they worked together? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English listening skills. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hi, Bonnie. How are you this morning?
I'm good, Justin. A little excited.
Nice. Today is your first visit to the Human History Museum, right?
Yeah, and I don't really know what to expect.
That makes the tour more fun.
I usually think museums are quiet and boring.
A lot of people think that before they come here.
So what will we see today?
We'll see old human tools, caves, fire, hunting, and how old humans lived long ago.
That actually sounds interesting.
Good. Did you remember your ticket?
Yep, I bought it on my phone yesterday.
Perfect. That saves a lot of time.
Are there really that many people here every day?
Oh yeah, schools and families visit all the time.
Wow, I didn't know this place was so famous.
People enjoy this museum because it feels very real.
Real? Even though it's about old humans?
Just wait until you see the models inside.
Are they scary?
A little for some people.
Okay, now I'm even more curious.
Great. The doors will open soon.
Whoa, this building is huge.
Yeah, the museum is much bigger inside too.
It already feels important.
That's what museums try to do.
I already want to explore everything.
First, we need to pass security.
Like at the airport?
Pretty close.
Why is security so strict here?
Because many old objects inside are very valuable.
Oh, so they protect everything carefully.
Exactly. Some things here are thousands of years old.
That's hard to imagine.
Most visitors say the same thing.
I think this trip is going to be really special.
We're only getting started. All right, let's grab a museum map.
Wait, this place has so many rooms.
Yeah, without a map, people can get confused easily.
I would definitely get lost.
That happens to many new visitors.
Oh, wow, there are many rooms here.
Each room shows a different part of old human life.
So it's like one long story?
Exactly.
And we start from the beginning?
Yep. We'll slowly move forward through time.
That sounds much easier to understand. Wow, look at that giant ancient shark model.
Yeah, that ancient shark lived millions of years before humans.
So life started in the ocean first?
Exactly. The first living things came from the sea.
I always forget Earth existed long before humans.
Humans appeared much later in history.
Look at these old animal marks on the rock wall.
Those marks were left by ancient sea animals a very long time ago.
That feels strange and amazing at the same time.
Old marks like these make history feel real.
Yeah, it feels different from reading a school book.
And this is only the beginning of the museum.
These ancient human models look almost alive.
This room shows how early humans slowly changed over time.
Why do some of them look different from modern people?
Because human bodies changed little by little for many years.
This one looks more like an ape.
Yeah, that model shows one of the early human ancestors.
So humans and apes are connected somehow?
Exactly. They share a very old family connection.
Oh, so modern humans did not appear suddenly.
Right. Human history changed slowly over time.
That's really interesting. Whoa, that ancient human skeleton is huge.
Yeah, this room is about ancient human bones and skulls.
Are these real ancient bones?
Some are real bones and some are museum copies.
Even the copies look very real.
The museum wants visitors to feel close to ancient history.
Why are some ancient skulls longer than modern skulls?
Early humans had different body shapes from modern humans.
So the human body changed too.
Exactly. Human bodies slowly changed over time.
Ancient humans were probably very strong.
They needed strong bodies to survive every day.
Daily life sounds really difficult back then.
It was. People hunted animals and walked long distances every day.
I'm starting to understand why tools became important.
Good connection. The next room explains that more. All right, now we're entering the hunting section.
Wow, these mammoth models are massive.
Early humans hunted animals like mammoths long ago.
Humans hunted animals that big?
Sometimes, yes, but it was very dangerous.
That sounds terrifying.
Animals were usually stronger and faster than humans.
So humans needed teamwork to survive.
Exactly.
Look at this hunting scene. The hunters are surrounding the mammoth together.
Working together gave humans a better chance to survive.
Oh, so communication was important too.
Right. Talking helped groups make plans during hunts.
Everything in this museum keeps connecting together.
That's what makes the museum interesting.
Okay, now I'm really hungry.
Perfect timing. The lunch area is upstairs. Ready for the stone tool room?
Wait, these small stone knives are tools?
Yeah. Ancient humans used stone tools for hunting and cutting food.
They look simple.
Simple tools still changed human life a lot.
How?
Sharp stone tools helped people hunt faster and prepare food more easily.
So life slowly became easier.
Exactly. Better tools saved time and energy.
Energy was probably very important back then.
Extremely important for survival.
I thought this stone tool was used for cooking.
This one was mostly used for hunting animals.
Oh, so different tools had different jobs.
Right. Humans slowly became more organized.
This ancient cave looks so real.
The museum designed this cave to feel like ancient human life.
It feels cold and dark in here.
That helps visitors imagine life long ago.
Look at that ancient campfire in the middle.
Fire changed human life forever.
More than stone tools?
In many ways, yes.
How?
Fire gave humans heat, light, and safer cooked food.
Cooked food was safer to eat?
Exactly. Cooking helped kill dangerous germs,
Oh, so fire also improved health.
and it helped humans stay warm during cold weather.
Now the animal fur clothes make more sense.
See? You're connecting ideas by yourself now.
These ancient human skulls show brain size?
Yep, human brains slowly became larger over time.
Bigger brains helped humans think better?
Exactly. Humans became better at planning and solving problems.
What about language?
Language became one of the biggest human strengths.
Because people could talk clearly together.
Right. Good communication improved teamwork.
Teamwork helped humans survive longer.
Exactly. Working together helped humans stay alive.
These ancient cave paintings are beautiful.
Early humans painted animals, hunting scenes, and daily life on cave walls.
So humans started becoming more creative.
Exactly. Life became more than just survival.
This family burial model feels emotional.
Because it shows ancient humans cared about family and friends.
Ancient humans had feelings just like modern people.
That's why many visitors love this section.
I think this room changed my thinking the most. Wow, this gift shop is much bigger than I expected.
Yeah, this museum has many souvenirs from different rooms.
Wait, these mini mammoth toys are so cute.
A lot of kids love those.
And look at these old human figure toys.
Those are based on the human models from the museum.
Oh, and these small cave paintings are from the human life room.
Exactly. Each section has different souvenir items.
I can even see brain models and tiny skull keychains.
Yeah, the shop tries to connect everything to the museum tour.
This stone knife copy looks really cool.
That one is from the tool room,
This morning I thought stone tools were just rock.
and now you understand why they were important.
Yeah, they helped humans hunt, cook, and survive.
Exactly.
Honestly, I want to buy more than one thing now.
That happens to many visitors here.
I really learned a lot today. Justin, look over there.
The giant mammoth statue?
Yeah, I think visitors are allowed to take pictures there.
Nice. Let's take one before we leave.
Okay, stand next to the mammoth.
This tall one?
Yep, the picture will look really funny.
Make sure the old bone wall is behind me too.
Got it. Oh, wait, smile a little more.
Like this?
Perfect. The mammoth looks huge next to you.
This museum really knows how to make things feel real.
Seriously, this picture looks like a movie scene.
Let me see.
Look, the lighting actually looks amazing.
Wow, that really turned out well.
I'm definitely keeping this picture.
Same here. Today felt really special. Well, Bonnie, we've seen every room in the museum now.
Wow, really? Time went by so fast.
Yeah, we started this morning and now the tour is finished.
I can't believe we already saw everything.
Yep, we saw old sea animals, old humans, hunting tools, fire, brains, and cave paintings.
Honestly, I learned much more than I expected.
Same here. This museum always teaches people something new.
So, I guess it's time to go home now.
Yeah, the museum will close soon too.
Honestly, I thought this trip would be boring.
Many people think that before visiting.
But today felt like a real adventure.
History becomes more exciting when everything connects together.
Yeah, tools, fire, teamwork, language, and human life all connect.
Exactly.
The early life room helped me understand Earth's story better.
Humans are only a small part of Earth's story.
The human change room showed me humans changed slowly.
Right. Change happened little by little.
The bone room showed how human bodies changed too.
Staying alive changed many things about the human body.
The hunting room taught me why teamwork mattered so much.
Working together helped humans stay alive.
The tool room showed me small tools could change daily life.
Better tools made life easier and safer.
And the fire room helped me understand why fire was so important.
Fire changed food, warmth, and safety.
The brain room showed why language mattered.
Talking helped human groups become stronger.
And the last room showed old humans had feelings too.
Exactly. They were real people just like us.
At first, I only thought about cavemen. Now I think about families, feelings, and human life.
That's one of the biggest lessons here.
I really enjoyed today.
Maybe next time we can visit another museum.
I'd love that.
Great job listening! Now, let's check the question again. What helped early humans stay alive better when they worked together? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice listening like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.